Good morning students. Now I am going to explain the continuation for the play with patterns lesson. Already we completed the half part. Now I am explaining the number patterns. The number patterns. Here see we have the page number 149. In this page I am explaining these patterns 1, 3, 6, 10 like it they gave. So what will come in the next ones? Here see 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. That means each 1 increasing in the addition form. The downside add చేసేటప్పుడు 1 increase అవుతుంది. So 10 plus 5, 15. Here see. Plus 6. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 7, 28. 28 plus 8, 36. 36 plus 9, 45. Okay, what is the next pattern here? See this next pattern. 0, 2, 6, 12. What will come in the next? Here see 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. That means only even numbers we are having here. In addition, 2, 4, 6. 6 after what is the even number? The even number is 8. So 12 plus 8 is 20. 8 after what is the even number? The even number is 10. So 20 plus 10, 30. 10 after what is the even number? 12. 30 plus 12, 42. Here see 12 after what is the even number? 14. 42 plus 14, 56. Okay. See this 1, 3, 7, 13. What will come in these next blanks? Here 1, 3. What is the difference here? Plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. Here also we are using the same method, only even numbers adding. So 13 plus 8, how much ma? The 13 plus 8 is 21. Yes. 21 plus 10 is 31. 31 plus 12 is 43. 43 plus 14 is 57. 57 plus 16 is 73. Okay, next, last one. Here's it 2, 3, 6, 11, 18 like this. They give 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. All odd numbers. Before questions, all even numbers we are adding. Now we are adding all odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7. 7 after what is the odd number? 9. So 18 plus 9 is 27. Here see. 9 after what is the odd number? 11. So see this 27 plus 11 is 38. So 11 after what is the odd number? 13. So 38 plus 13 is 51. Okay, next 13 after what is the odd number? 15. 51 plus 15 is 66. 66 plus 17, how much? 83. Okay. Here see, now we are going to the next page. In the page, we secret message, coding the secret message. Here one girl is writing like this 3W H, 3E, 3R, 3E, 3A, 3R, 3E, 3Y, 3O, 3U. Like this, one girl is asking, what is 3W, 3H, 3E, 3R, 3R? All threes coming. What is the word here? Means leading threes. We have W here. Wait, W, H, H, E, E, R, R, E. Where? So this total meaning is where. Next, what we have? A, R, E. This is where. A, R, E. Next, what we have? Y, O, U. Where are you? This total meaning is where are you? This secret message. Remember, Amrita, she wrote like this. Where are you? Secretly. 3W, 3H, 3E, 3R, 3E, 3A, 3R, 3E. That means all between all numbers, all letters, they wrote 3. So where are you? Here see. Answer also came like that from the boy. 3I, 3N, 3T, 3H, 3E, 3C, 3A, 3N, 3D, 3E, 3E, 3N. What is the meaning of this one? Where are you? The question. What is the answer? Here see, I am in THE. THE, the CANTEEN. CANTEEN. In the canteen. The question is where are you? Answer is in the canteen. Secretly they are going like this. Okay. These are two secret messages. Another two secret messages we have here. Look for the pattern and find the hidden sentences. That means we have some two hidden sentences. We should find those all also. Here 1I, 2L, 3O, 4V, 5E, 6Y, 7O, 8U. This is one sentence. See this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Orderly they wrote the numbers. Here I. Okay, I, L, L, O, O, V, V, E, E, Y, Y, O, O, U. The hidden sentence is I love you. Okay. Next, see this. Another hidden sentence they gave. We should find what is in the hidden sentence. A, T, B, H, C, I, D, S. Okay. E, B, F, O, G, O, H, K, I, J, S, K, F, L, U, M, N. Like this they give. What is the hidden sentence here? Here see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Up to here all commonly the alphabets only. See this D, T, H, I, S. This D, H, I, S. This. In this B, O, O, K. Book. Book. This book. I, S, is. F, U, N, fun. This book is fun. The secret letter is this book is fun. Next, come to the next page. Here they gave even and odd numbers patterns. What we have here, half these numbers are in yellow. What patterns do you see in this? We should write patterns 96, 98, 102. What will come in the next blanks? 96, 98. These two even only. These two in increasing order only. 96, 98. 98 after actually the number is 99. But it is odd. That's why the next number is 100. So 100. 100 after what number we have here? 102. That means 102 after 103. 103 is odd. We should write even. That's why 104. Here 106, 108, 110, 112. Like this. Okay. Next, how far can you continue pattern? And here they gave the odd numbers 99, 101. See 105, 107 also they gave. We should find for these. 99 after actually the number is 100. But here what they gave 101. That means this is a odd number. 99, 101. Increasing order only but in odd number. 102, 101 after actually 102. But 102 is even. That's why we should write here 103. That is odd number. 105, 107 already taken. That means here 107 after 108. 108 is even. Next what will come? 108 after 108 after 109. That is odd. And 109 after 110. 110 is even. That's why 110 after 111. 111 after 112. 112 is even. Here all odd numbers only. So 112 after 130. Okay. Next here they gave all numbers that end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These numbers we can call it as odd numbers. Actually we know that what are the even numbers and what are the odd numbers. Even numbers means in the ending time we are getting 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. These numbers are even numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Like these numbers are odd numbers. All numbers that end with ending in the ending position 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 means even numbers. Ending position 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These numbers means odd numbers. So what they gave here, write all odd numbers between 400 to 410. 400 to 410. What are the odd numbers? We should write. 400 is even. So 401. 402 even. 403. 404 even. 405. 406 even. 407. 408 even. 409. 410 is even. Here see ending 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Ending 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So these are odd numbers. Next what they are asking, that means write all even numbers between 155 and 165. 155 and 165, between these numbers we should write the even numbers. 155 is a odd. Next what will come? 156, 158, 160, 162, 164. See this 156, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4. 6, 8, 0, 2, 4. These are even numbers. Okay, they are asking another question. If we add 1 to any other number, we get which number, even or odd? For suppose if we have one odd number, but I am taking 3 odd number. For 3, if I add 1 means what will come? 4. That means even only coming. If I am adding 2, 5, 1 I am adding. That means 6. Even only coming. 9, 1 adding. That means even only coming. What is the meaning? If we add 1 to any odd number, if we add 1 means we are getting the even number. Like that, if we add 1 to even number means, see, we take one even number. Even number is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. That means what we are getting here? Odd. 4 even I am taking here. 4 plus 1, 5. That means we are getting here odd. 8 plus 1, 9. 6 plus 1, 7. These are odd numbers only now. That means what? To any even number, if we add 1 means odd is coming. Even plus 1 is odd coming. Odd plus 1 is even coming. For odd number, if we add 1 means we are getting even number. For even number, we are adding 1 means we are getting the odd number. Okay. Name in the order. We have names for each one, for everyone they have their own names. To those names, to write in order. How we can write according to alphabets. A means 1, B means 2, C means 3, D means 4. Like that. Which comes first? For suppose we have some names here. C. Sharada, Gurinder, Narayan, Mahadevan, Baicham, Kavita, Elvi, Harsha, Varsha, Adil, Raja, Elvis, Jalaj. Here see, with A, with the alphabet A, which name is starting Adi. So this number is 1. Next with B, A, B. A after B only na, with B we have Baicham. So number 2. A, B, C. C anyone is there? No. D. D anyone is there? No. E. S we have Evil. Number 3. F. F anyone is there? No. G. G. C. H. I. No. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. R. S. T. Here see, alphabet order S T U V W. In alphabet order, we are writing the names. All names we have here. In these names, A is first letter. That's why number 1. B second letter. That's why C no name is there. So leave it. D with D no name is there. So next E. With E we have the name. That's why the number is 3. F no name. So G with G we have the name. That's why that number is 4. H with H we have name 5. I no name. J K with L we don't have any name. M we have name. N we have name. O P Q no names. So R we have the name. That's why 10. S with S we have the name. T also name. U V no names. With W we have the name. Okay. Completed lesson once. Thank you.